Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate-covered strawberries crochet. Start by organizing your materials and choosing yarn colors that match ripe berries and chocolate. Prepare your hook, stuffing, and any optional safety eyes before you begin. Keep stitches neat and consistent to achieve a smooth strawberry shape that looks realistic and holds stuffing well. I will guide you through each round so your finished fruit looks delicious and durable. Work the strawberry body in continuous rounds to avoid visible seams and keep tension even. Start with a magic ring, then increase gradually to shape the bulbous fruit, stuffing lightly as you go to avoid lumps. Reduce stitches toward the top to form the tip, and finish by pulling the yarn tight to close the hole neatly. I will describe stitch counts and timing so you can match my results easily. Create the chocolate dip look by joining brown yarn a few rounds down and crocheting up to the top to simulate melted chocolate coverage. Make a tiny green leaf with a short chain and textured stitches, then attach it securely to the stem area. Finish with tiny seed embroidery in contrasting yarn to mimic strawberry seeds, spacing them evenly for a natural appearance. I will show stitch placement and finishing tips for.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.